There is a great evil among us. Slinking in the shadows, they are of a deeper darkness than the night. We are their prey. But a new predator has come. Now the hunters will discover what it's like to be the hunted.
So you are the witch.
Could it be you're what they call a hunter? Probably. Witch Hunter Robin. Let the hunt begin. Adult Swim.
You gotta pay for that.
Hey, that's me.
We know. What were you thinking?
It says free. I thought it was a giveaway.
Well, if they gave it away, how could they make a profit?
Volume. You don't know much about the retail business, do you? Now, what was I supposed to think?
Maybe that it's free of sugar, free of calories, free of carbs, free of caffeine.
I don't think so.
It says free. It just doesn't taste free. Sierra Mist free.
Give me that.
Hey, get your own. They're free.
They're not free.
People everywhere are experiencing a breakthrough. Taco Bell's new Big Bell Value Menu, featuring the spicy chicken soft taco with shredded chicken simmered in Mexican spices. To keep your stomach and your wallet full, think outside the bun.
Spider-Man 2, the game, rated teen.
South side, outside, west side, let's ride. East side, I'm Chi-Town's finest.
From Decatur down to DP and EP, Adamsville to the battlefield at DTP.
Pay attention while the game shine like a prism. Glisten, show you how canaries can alter one's vision. Outside, west side, let's ride. Where you at? The whole city behind us.
Beautiful Joe 2!
The sequel to last year's GameCube Game of the Year is more beautiful than ever. Now Joe and Sylvia team up to fight evil as they battle through Hollywood movie world. And Sylvia's no damsel in distress. Use awesome powers like slow, zoom, much speed, and now replay, replay, replay. What vile villains await? Will this dynamic duo save the world? Beautiful Joe 2, rated T for teen, only from Capcom. Henshin a go-go, baby!